Here I've got Ulefone Armor 6e, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first let's open Play Store, then slide right to open more functions. Just make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi because otherwise it will be not possible. Then select My Apps and Games, and here under Updates you will find all applications that needs to be updated. And you can either pick one particular application to update, for example Files by Google, click on Update here, and as you can see it's been downloaded and then installed in your device. It may take a couple of seconds, and that's it. If you scroll down you will notice it's under Recently Updated. Then you can also update all applications at once, simply click on Update All, and it will be done automatically. Meanwhile you can use your device in a normal way, so do whatever you want to, and the applications and games will be updated. And as you can see, here you can check the progress, and that's it. So this is it. This is how you can update applications in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.